Yo, starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour. This first order is going to be a McDonald's going 2.5 miles.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Total for that one was $6 and got the next order right away. It is a different McDonald's. This one is $10 going about 6 miles.
Morning, bro. How you doing today?
Good, you? For Riley? Thank you.
Do you have one, sir?
Yeah, I got Josh.
Just got the next order. This is a different McDonald's. That is 3 different McDonald's in a row. This one is $6 and change going about 3 miles. Thank you. Got this one right away. This is IHOP going 5.5 miles. There you go.
Thank you.
No tip, by the way. It is 21 degrees outside, and that was a no tip. Very nice. Next up is McDonald's. Who would have guessed? Back to all reliable. This one is going 3.5 miles. Thank you. Morning. For Jake?
Thank you much.
Have a good day. Total for that one was $5 and change. It only took maybe 7 minutes. And got this right away. This is a Starbucks going 4 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that one was $7 and change. Oh, apparently there's peak pay on at the moment. That's probably why it's so slow. Been about 30 minutes since that last order. Either that or it's people's New Year's resolutions finally kicking in. Either way, finally got the next order. This is Jamba Juice going, I think it's at 3.5 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. That's a no tip. Total for that one was just under $7. Next order up is Gravity Coffee. This one is going 5 miles.
There you are.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too. It says I'm in the cold sack. Not cul-de-sac. Cold sack. COLDSACK.
Camera recording.
Total for that one was just under $7. Next order up is a, you guessed it, McDonald's. I think this is the 3rd time I've been here today. This one is going just under 4 miles. Thank you. Total for that one was $9. Okay. Heading right back to McDonald's for this one. This one is $8 going 4 miles.
You have a good day.
Thank you. You too. Morning.
Morning.
There you are. Yep. Have a good day. Thank you. Next up is a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $8 going 2 miles, 2 items. I'm thinking start to head home. If I don't get anything, so be it. Current time is 9:37. Current total is 68, and waiting on 2 Uber tips. What is that? No. Yeah, waiting on 2 Uber tips. Both of them were pretty good from what I remember, so that should bump it up to 85. What was that? No. Yeah, my guess is 85, maybe a little more. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. No. Bye.